Hello guys, just explain for one of the old CRT model TV. The model is exactly BPL 21 inch 11 KTR 1465. This model set is very old model. But 2 days before I will come to this set. Problem for this set is also body is okay. The CRT is not working for the light anything or flyback also not absent. I don't know what is the reason. Then I will check for the all the components. But power supply is also okay, and SMBS voltage is okay. But the EHD is not function. The EHD is not work drive for the any driving circuit. So I will check all the components. Even the voltage is also okay. But the problem is the pulses came for the switching pulse does not start for the flyback transformer. That is the problem. Just I show for your circuits and explain for this what is the reason. Please subscribe my channel as you like for this video. This is first time for my servicing video. Please follow me. Thank you. Just show the circuit for this model circuits and explain for. Hello guys, this is the PPL 21 inch circuit icon for the 11 KTR model. Just I simply explain for the power supply and circuit. This unit for the power supply unit. This transistor is drive for the primary winding for the power supply unit. This supporting two transistors drive for the pulses and drive for the transistor. This primary winding is boosting, then voltage is coming for the secondary winding. The secondary winding is emitted for the 130 volt. Can you see for this is 130 voltage. As you can see for this is the secondary diode for how much voltage? It's exactly 15 voltage. Please check for this voltage and this voltage and this voltage. And also this is the audio 20 voltage. Audio voltage is coming for this linking for these circuits. Can you see this TDA 2611A? This is supply for the one. This is connected for the 110 ohms. And the problem for this circuits is power supply is okay already. 20 volt is coming for this ICs. Just you connect for the video anything. This audio is always coming perfectly. But this circuit is not perfect. You can see this not perfect. But you will the fault is the high voltage. No, HD voltage is not boosted because you can check for the voltage here 130 voltage normally, but I will check for my fault reasonably. I will check on one of the fault point cannot find really. This voltage is here 169 volts, so that's the problem. I don't know what is the reason. Then I will check for these components everything, and also I will change for this LOTs. That means HDU transformer. This is H out transistor and H out horizontal driver transformer and horizontal driver transistor. This voltage here is voltage is not. I will check for this voltage here. There is the voltage no exactly 2 voltage here. Actually needed for 36 volt. The problem for the circuits. The circuits muted for this resistance. Can you see this resistance? This resistance problem. Can you see 3K9? The 3K9 resistance is opened. So the pulses is coming for the microprocessor. You see this is the pulses. You see standby pulses. Standby pulses coming for the check the pins for the where is the pin? You see this is the pulse. Just refer for the pulses. coming for this way, power on off. Can you see this standby base pulse is coming ground and voltage? This voltage is coming for the base for this voltage transistor, and this voltage emitted for here. Can you see this? And came there here. But the problem is my set is the voltage, this resistance is high, so there is no switching for this transistor. This voltage is arrested. Can you see this 36 volt? This voltage is arrested. So this voltage is not coming here. Can you see? Here. So there is no voltage. So this section full is absent. The LODs, that means IHD is not working. This is the problem, but I will slowly check one by one day. I can't find this really this fault. Just gradually I will check everything, each component, then I will found this resistance. And also I will mark it for the circuit and details of the resistance marked different color. You can check and that refer for the servicing procedure. This another method, this other side for the components, just I show for this which is the resistance for this particular area. You can see this is the other side for the printed circuit board. This printed circuit board, you can see this is the resistance. You see, this is the resistance 372 R372, exactly value for 3 This resistance is very high. You see this resistance is very high. Then there is no switching working for here. So the transistor muted. Also this drivers are also absent. Can you see? So just you see this is the transformer, driver transformer. This is a H out, that means horizontal driver transistor. This coil horizontal driver transformer is not working because this resistance is high. The switching transistor is not here muted for voltage 36 volt. So this is not coming here. The LOD is not working. See, this LOD is not working because there is no voltage. Driving voltage is not reached for this particular area. And thank you guys. This is just explained for this common method for the fault finding. Exactly, I have previous experience for this circuits and refer. Also, I will mention for the jungle IC TDA 8361, mention for the voltage. Also check for this voltage pin 10 and 36 volt 8 volt supply, and memory also you can check memory voltage and everything. Thank you guys. Can you watch for my channel, and till then next video I hope can you understand for this full videos. Anything explain for the I will next will have a new video for next servicing any type of components. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like to me. Thank you.